Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna show you about how to convert any phone into a wireless charging phone. But for this we're gonna need some kind of device from our friends from China. This package was sent from Dak Su Dong Lu 100 Xao Xi Xiang Tang Jie Dao Xi Xiang Tang Ku Nan Ning Shi Guang Xi Xuang Zu Jin Xi Xi. Alright then, and inside this package here should be the oh, nice one. Look how sturdy. This is proper bubble wrap, man. Proper wrapping. Alrighty then. The thing inside here is a note in Russian as well, but they somehow mixed it up with no Russian, no affiliated with them, not whatsoever. Alright, we got a note here. Dear friends, thank you for purchasing us and sharing good news of order evaluation, 5-star praise, evaluation, blah blah blah, quality problems. Please communicate with us if they get 5-star, participate in more review, what's up. You got all the details here. Alright, so apart from this thingy, she's quite nice and quite sturdy. This one can be reused for something else. Yeah, air bubble, what's it called? Air baker. All right, this is quite nice, reusable as well. So we got this thingy, which I don't quite know what this one is. I'm guessing could be a phone stand or so. At the moment we don't know what this one is. Maybe if some of you knows what can we do with it, let me know in the comments below. But in the meanwhile, I'm gonna save it. 3B is any B. Alright, so we have inside the package two things which you had. Wireless charger receiver module, which is this one, and this is rated 5 volts input and output 1000 milliamps. Size is 70 × 46 millimeter. You should be very careful when you're choosing this one, because depending on your phone, this one are quite labeled like A type, B type. I think I did order the wrong one here, but I think we're gonna be able to manage to do it. Inside here there is a coil which is gonna be attached to, so this is the receiver, and this one here, I chose this one because it was the cheapest thing and quite nice looking. Fantasy wireless charger, key standard. So wireless and limitless. Alright then. Inside here should be having the sender, the transmitter, which is this wireless limitless kind of thing. It's quite nice. Input 5 volts 2 amps, output 5 volts 1 amp, and you got the USB to micro USB connection here inside, which is very handy. Keep in mind that with this kind of device you have to have the charger that's plugged into the mains and exit output, USB output, sorry. Alright, so we're gonna plug this one straight in. We're gonna find a guinea phone pig, and this one. Alright friends, so we got the phone, we got the transmitter, which is this one, limitless, and we got the receiver. For this one you're gonna need a phone like this one, in case this is a Motorola, I think a Vodafone one, and you're gonna have a case to mount it, to mount the thing in, or if you can go very fancy you have to remove the back cover and insert the thing inside, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go the lazy way. So I'm gonna find this pin here. Like I told you, I did manage to order somehow the wrong kind of plug, but still it's gonna do the job. I'm gonna insert it very carefully. This is very thin. Alright, go all the way, and now we're gonna twist it like so. Because this is a special phone, it's got the plug on one side. You have to find your own, yeah, which is not that easy. Then we're gonna put a case on top of it, which is gonna be sitting nice and sturdy, and we are done. This is the key inserted inside here. Have to adjust it, the case, yeah, and we have to be very careful with the plug here. It can break anytime because I did order the wrong one, but you're not gonna do the same mistake as I did. So you're gonna find and search your own adapter, the perfect size kind of thing. As I told you, you're gonna need a charger. I'm using this one. Doesn't know if it's any brand or so. Signalex, yeah, with the 2 outputs. But if you're gonna go with one, no problem there. So we're gonna switch it off. We're gonna turn it in. Previously, we have put the plug inside the thing. I'm gonna put it into the USB. See, now it's doing some bluish thing. And we're gonna try to put the phone on top of the wireless transmitter. See if this one is gonna work. Doing something. The transmitter hooked up to the USB charger, and we have the receiver inside this protective case from the phone with the connector here, and we're gonna just put it on top to see if it's gonna charge or not. Yeah, the light is on. I think it's charging. Nope. You have to find it, the sweet spot. Or the protective case is too, it's kind of fat. Did manage to make it work. It's quite sensitive, but because the receiver is not the same size of the, it's not designed for this phone, we have this troubleshoot. So you have to find the position because it's gonna be just one. As you can see here, it's charging all the way till here. Here you go, it's charging 14% or so. But when we're gonna move the thing, that's it. Boom, boom, it's not charging anymore. So it's got just one sweet spot. So you have to manage to find it. That's so. See, now it's charging. Yeah, so definitely it's working. I was imagining it's not gonna work through the case, but it's working quite well. But it's got a strange spot, as you can see here in the middle, because we didn't had the proper thing. There you go. We moved it a little bit. Come on. That's it. Done. Now it's charging. Come on. Moved it a little bit. Bastard. Come on. What's your sweet spot? Yeah, so it's working, but having problem with this fucking phone. It's quite horrible. The phone is quite bastard.